Welcome, today in front of me ZTE Blade A31, and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off silent mode on this device. So first you should open the notification panel, and here somewhere on the top bar you should find the ring bell icon. Just click here twice, and by this way you can see here the message that our phone is muted. And that means that all of our ringtones and notifications, they are muted, so this means that we just turn on the silent mode on our device. And if you want to just turn off the silent mode, you should click here once again here on the bell icon, and you will switch it to the ring mode. So also we got the second way how we can do that. Just press up or down volume button here on the right side of your device, and you'll see the same bell icon. Just click here twice on the bell icon. Here we can see the message that the calls and notifications, they will be muted, and that means that we just activate the silent mode. To turn it on, click here once again on the bell icon, and the ringtones and notifications, they will ring. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.